मेकअप दादा डैब कर दो ना. वैसे मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है. I have great skin ना.
और कुछ?
Thanks.
Sir, coffee?
Without sugar?
Yes, sir.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Hi Divyak, some snacks?
Could you look for something that's gluten-free, dairy-free and grain-free, please?
Okay then.
Oh my God, so much pampering.
I'm enjoying like anything.
I'm sure you are. So tell me something. What is that one thing that you think is common between you and our bride today?
We're both beautiful. We're both obsessed with our mums, and we're both newbies.
Newbies? What do you mean?
So I'm new to hosting, as you know, and she's new to getting married. And yeah, she loves pastel, she loves minimalism, and I'm excited to jam with her today.
Amazing. What are we waiting for then? Let's get started.
Let's do this.
Come on, let's go.
Hello and welcome. I'm Divyak D'Souza, a fashion stylist and your host for Be Beautiful Presents Real Brides, a bridal makeover series in association with Lakme Salon.
I'm going to interrupt here, Dee. You're not just a fashion stylist, he's a celebrity stylist, guys. So stop being so humble.
No. I think that's a tall order. But the point is, we do have a fantastic panel today with us on the show. The plan of action is to take a bride and give her her dream look. She has a mood board in mind. She has a vague idea of what she wants to look like. And this amazing panel is going to help her articulate that. So we have with us a very esteemed dermatologist from Mumbai, Dr. Madhuri Agarwal. And we have the National Creative Director of Lakme Salon, Anupma Katyal. Let's talk a little bit about Rekha. So we've obviously met her, we know what she's looking at, but for those who are watching, let's have a look. So I think the gist of what Rekha's sort of brief was for her reception is she's very open to experimenting. She's open to pastel colors or brighter colors, metallics, non-metallics, everything. That was the best part for me to sort of get to play around with the clothing. She's also got a very interesting love story actually. So her fiance is a South Indian and she's a North Indian.
Wow.
So it's very two states actually.
Yes.
And the fact that her mum is going to be doing the Kanyadan ritual for her.
I think that is really beautiful.
Yeah, I think that's fantastic.
That's a very
Yeah.
special thing.
It's so 2019 and so refreshing, you know what I mean? So I think it's amazing, very progressive girl. In terms of the clothing, if I can just sort of show you guys, now we contacted a whole bunch of designers that I wanted to sort of put on her. But we finally shortlisted Falguni and Shane Peacock because I think they sort of have that perfect balance of new age, modern, experimental, and at the same time there's a demureness and a softness and a prettiness
I
to
love
the
the
Indian wear.
pastels they have
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
And you know, we get a lot of brides at the Lakme Salon with Falguni and Shane's clothes.
Yeah,
And
they're super popular, yeah.
one
for
is
a
better
reason.
than the other. I mean, like,
Yeah.
they look so gorgeous in those clothes. So
I
they're one of
agree.
my favorites.
But so these are the sort of pieces that we were looking at, you know.
I
That's
love this color.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so too. There's this beautiful cutwork detail. It's metallic, but in a very muted, sort of subtle zone. But
Yeah.
why are we talking about this here? Let me show you the actual clothes.
Oh my
Let's
God.
talk about
Let's
it.
go.
Okay, ladies,
Yeah.
this is all Falguni and Shane. I'm a huge fan,
I
and you
love
can
their
see
designs.
why. There's some amount of crystal embellishment, there's embroideries, the mirror work. I mean, I'm a huge fan of mirror work. Me too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So there's that, there's cut work, there's tassel details. So they have this whole gamut to
Yeah.
think.
And I love the colors, the vibrance.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Yes.
You know, the fatty in me is thinking of cupcakes right now.
Especially this one.
Right? This is
Yeah.
your favorite, no? I know.
Yeah, this is my favorite.
Rekha and you both sort of warmed up to this particular
Yeah.
piece. I love it too, I agree, completely.
Yeah, so this is our final piece, right?
Yes, this is it. Now, I want to know what you have in mind. If you could share a little bit about what her beauty look is going to be.
Makeup, you know, it has to be what you're looking for, and Rekha's looking for clean skin. That's why we're going to go in for a very nude look on her face. It's going to be very clean, but I'm going to add pink on her eyes with a touch of glitter, just to,
love
you know, make it
glitter.
fun and fresh. And her hair's going to be open, flip out blow dry. It's going to look fantastic.
Effortless, yeah,
And
love
a
that.
soft pink nude lip is what I'm going to do for her. I
Sounds
can't wait to see what it's going to look
Nice.
like.
Same.
I think let's call the bride now.
Yeah.
Why don't we call
yeah.
We've
Rekha?
wasted too much time on this. Come on, where's Rekha? Let's get her on. How are you, Ella?
Very good. Rekha, we're all very excited about your look.
So am
and we're going to leave you with Madhuri. You have your beauty regime figured out while Dee and I take a short break.
Yes, really looking forward. Come,
Same
let's
here.
get started. this is really easy because she had good skin. So my work was less. I didn't have to do much. You've got a lovely skin. Are you following something?
So I just basically use a face wash and a sunscreen and a moisturizer before I sleep in the night.
So I'm really happy to hear that because most of the brides out there are so busy packing, shopping, doing 10 things at a time. They forget the basic discipline that you have to do with skin regime. And I think that's the credit. Your skin is looking good because you're following a discipline. What other concerns do you have besides?
I have an oily scalp,
Right.
which I feel is going to be an issue on my main day because when you sit in the mandap,
Right. And
it's
it's
garam.
hot.
So
For oily scalp, I suggest to most of my brides that you should be shampooing regularly and avoid oiling. If you have an oily scalp and you're doing oiling regularly, it's going to further worsen the problem and give you more flatness of the scalp. Any other concerns besides the scalp, Rekha?
I do have some amount of stretch marks on my body, on my back. I've tried bleaching it once or twice, whenever I have to wear a lehenga, like I'll bleach it because that's the easiest and the fastest way.
I told her no for bleach because it can be harmful because it has chemicals, it has peroxides, which over a period of time will make her skin very dry and irritated. So I would suggest if instead of bleaching, you can just go for basic body scrubs, moisturizers. That also gives a lighter look to the marks. I hope these things help you in your wedding.
Thank you so much and thank you for all the advice, not
My
only for
pleasure.
my D-Day, I think I can keep this advice in my long run and apply it in my normal life and not just for my wedding day. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. My pleasure always. So, but before we go, I have a small surprise for you. This is a small
Oh my God,
gift
thank you.
hamper
Thank
from
you
my
so
clinic,
much.
Yavana,
Thank you.
for your customized skin routine.
Hey!
Hi, what's up?
How's it going? Excited?
Very excited.
By the way, Anu, have you already started working on the hair? It's already
We
looking
have.
glammed up.
Isn't it? So we've already prepped up the hair. The finishing touch is going to be after the makeup.
I'm already loving it. But okay, you girls go for it, have fun, and I'm going to come back later.
Yes, we'll catch you later.
See you.
So we'll get started, Rekha.
Yes.
I'm going to start with your eyes first, and this is one tip that I'd like to share with all the brides out there. Whenever you're going for your bridal makeup, make sure that your eyes are done first. You know why?
No.
Okay.
I've never known.
So, it's because, if there's any spillover or anything like that, you can always clean it up. It leaves your base looking fresh and dewy. So if you all are getting married or you are into makeup or anything, just opt for your eye makeup first, right? I'm going to create a base now on your eyelids, and that's because the intensity of the color comes out really nice if you have a base. So I've chosen 2 shades of pink for you. And one is very soft and the other one's just going to lift the eyes. But before that, I'm going to use like a pearl highlight. And again, since you don't do makeup, I'm telling you, start from here. Can you feel the brush?
Yeah.
Yeah, so from your brow bone and then take it downwards. Now I'm going to use a glitter. Just go dab, dab, dab. So now we're going to do your liner. So I've given you a nice winged liner. What's his name?
Krishna.
Krishna. Oh wow. So big shout out to Krishna out there. You have a lovely girl here. Is he excited about your being at Real Brides?
He is very excited. He is actually constantly messaging me and trying to check up on what's going on now.
All you boys out there, learn something from Krishna. You need to be clued on what your girl wants. So now it's your eyebrows, and I'm going to add lashes for you, and we're done with the eyes. So I've put the lashes, but the lash glue, shows a bit. So I'm just going to cover it with a liner. And I'm going to use a light brown color. Actually, let's go for a dark brown. A little point here, and yeah, we're done with the eyes. Okay, but it's time to clean your skin, moisturize, and then do the base. So we'll do that. So I'm going to use the SPF 50 Sun Expert. In fact, My personal preference is you must use sunblock before you start your makeup.
Really?
Yeah.
Even if the function is in the evening?
Yes, in fact, even if you're going to be indoors all day,
Yeah.
you must use a sunscreen. And this one works really well because it helps the base settle in better, adds glow. And I'm going to let it settle in for about 2 minutes. So I have used very small strokes on your under eyes, and we're just blending in what we used. Okay, so now I'm going to use some loose powder. Just rub the brush around. This will help seal the base. Let's do some highlighting. Yeah, that's my favorite part. But before that, I'm going to do contouring. So just make a fish face. Yeah. Just to give a sharper edge to your chin and some nose contouring. Just at the edge. Just a bit of highlight on your nose and the chin. Purse your lips. You definitely don't do makeup. So one tip for all the brides to be, make sure that you're wearing lip balm, because you have so many functions and you're wearing lipsticks every day. Your lips tend to get chapped and your skin tends to get dry. So 2 things, wear a lip balm and moisturize your skin really well. One last step, and that is mascara. So before these guys come and walk away with you, let's quickly finish your hair. Look at your curls. How glamorous are you looking? Dee, come on!
Was I summoned?
Hi,
Yes, you
Oh
were.
my god. Okay, so I'm not a big gusher, but I think, well done. I think she's looking authentic and she looks like her prettiest version, which is what we wanted. So,
Yeah.
yay.
Can't wait to see her in the lehenga. So take her and get her back really fast.
Come on, let's
Done?
I can't wait.
Come, let's go.
I was anxious that how would her skin look? Would it look even? Would she get that minimal natural look that she was looking for?
I can't wait to see the bride. Dee's taken her to get her outfit done and everything, and I'm getting so impatient. Jaldi aao, Dee.
Where is he?
Ladies, patience is a virtue.
Oh my
Please keep your eyes
God.
closed.
Okay,
I
I
don't
won't
want you to
cheat.
see just yet.
Looking so lovely.
Stunning. I love her eyes.
I just love the wing liner and the glitter, and I love her clothes. Stunning, yeah.
Guys, I'm dying to see myself in the mirror.
Yes,
Yes,
come on.
yes.
Let's not make her wait anymore.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god. It was gorgeous. I'm still looking gorgeous, but it was gorgeous.
It's exactly what I had imagined. And I love the entire outfit. I love the makeup.
It was so wonderful to see that she loved every bit of it, and the reaction was so organic, it just came naturally, and I think that's the most satisfying part of doing makeup for a bride.
I love the outfit. The pink, I think it was a really good call, and it's exactly what I would have chosen. It's subtle, not traditional, yet not very modern. It's just the pastel color that I wanted. It's perfect.
Every girl has a dream of looking her prettiest on her wedding day. And I'm so grateful that Lakme and Be Beautiful gave me an option to experience the entire process before my D-Day.
Great job, team.
Good job. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's been so wonderful. God bless. Khush raho.
नजर न लगे आपको.
Kala ki kala gaa diya.
Sometimes it's okay to not have all the answers. If someone is a newbie, like our beautiful bride today, Rekha, that's totally fine. I think the important thing is to have an open mind and be ready to try new things. That's what life's really about. And of course, in the case of Rekha, also the fact that she's such a progressive urban woman, it's something I really admire. The fact that her mum is doing her Kanyadan, the fact that she wanted to keep it easy and light and effortless for her wedding. It's super refreshing to meet women like that. So yeah, I hope you guys have as much fun watching these series as we've had working on it. Be enriched, be beautiful.